Are you a home-based business and you're thinking about taking the home tax deduction? If that's you and you want to know the ins and outs of it, come on over to the other side with me. Hey everybody, Kamari Ellis here, the Finance Rebel, founder of the Philly Tax Team. This is the tax season checkup series. I promised you all I would do a video a day until the end of tax season, which is April 15th, okay? So today is day 45, and today I'm talking about taxes. In particular, I'm talking about, or excuse me, to be specific, I'm talking about home-based office tax or home office tax deduction. It gets called so many different things these days. All right, so again, got another question from my buddy Mike. He asked like 3 questions in one post. I did one already about auto expense. Now he asked another 2 questions all about the same thing. These 2 questions are about, can utilities for his home office be a deduction? All right. And also he wants to know how much space is considered a home office. So we got 2 questions from Mike from NeterGold. That guy right there, or right there, wherever I put it, that's the ashy fighter. The guy who's always like, why are you so ashy? Why are you so ashy? Hilarious. I don't know how he comes up with most of this stuff, but it's funny nonetheless. For the home office tax deduction, right, that was everything that Mike talked about. You have 2 options. You have the simplified option and you have the standard option or the regular option. The simplified option doesn't require you to do a whole lot of work, but it might short you a little bit on the amount you can write off. So with the simplified option, you get to write off up to 300 square feet of your home at $5 a square foot. So that's about $1,500 in a tax write-off. Now, the regular method is you will define what your exclusive office space is, right? And then you will find out what the square footage of that is, and then you will divide that by the total square footage of your home. The total square footage of your home. So let's keep this simple. Let's say you have a home office that's about 100 square feet, right? 100 square feet exclusively for your home office, and you have a home that's 1,000 square feet. So you take 100 divided by 1,000, and that gives you 10%. And then so you get to deduct 10% of all your household things, household utilities, household insurance for your household, mortgage, rent, all of those that will apply to your specific situation. You get to write off all those things. And sometimes you get to do depreciation and some other things like that. But again, it all depends on your circumstance. All right. So you got 2 methods, right? The simplified method and the regular method. So you tell me, do you have a home office? That will be the question of the day. Do you have a home office? If so, are you taking the home office tax deduction? Drop a comment in the comment below, or drop your response in the comment below. All right, remember, we got 45 days. Listen, you got plenty of notice. You're getting plenty of guidance. There's no reason for you to miss your tax filing. And if you can't make it, make sure to file a tax extension. All right, everybody, Kamari Ellis out. I will be back with my next video for day 44. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.